Here we have the current stock market update for AMC Entertainment Holdings Incorporated, stock ticker AMC. Before we begin with today's chart analysis, if you find these educational materials to be helpful in your trading, please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons and leave your thoughts below in the comment section so that other traders will be able to find this information more easily on the platform. So as you can see here, this is the 1 hour price chart. This is on this time frame. Each candle represents a 1 hour trading period. And as we can see here, share prices have managed to make a bit of a jump here after falling into support zones near just about $4.30 per share. So there are some kind of important reasons why we are seeing this price movement to the top side. And in this video, I will be going over those reasons and outlining some important price zones so that hopefully traders can develop profitable trading strategies for this stock going forward. So as we can see here, this recent movement saw lows coming in at $4.36. This does break through this prior price low, which was developed during the August 5 trading session. That would be this price low back here. And as we can see here, this really did target then the next level to the downside, which came in at $4.32. So it seems that this price level was a bit intimidating for the people that are short the market currently, because as we can see, if we just go back a bit in the chart history, we can see that the last time share prices were trading in this area, we did see a fairly massive price spike into the upward direction. This ultimate bullish trend wave here is eventually what gave way to this triple top resistance zone, which came in right around $5.75. So this was a fairly significant move to the top side, and the explosive nature of this upward price move is probably what is discouraging some people on the short side of the market and maybe preventing them from entering into new bearish positions at the moment. So as things currently stand, this is the major level now to watch to the downside. If we do see a break below 436, share prices will really need to maintain a foothold at that 432 mark in order to maintain that level's validity. So, more recently, the resistance zones have now moved up to $4.65. This is a very important price move here because, as we can see, this price movement to the top side here did break through the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement of the decline from 501 to 436. So essentially what we're talking about is this price decline here. You get this upside price move. And that breaks through the 38.2% Fib retracement. So you've now retraced roughly 40% of that price move. So you're starting to get back some of those losses. Which is good news. And then in addition to that, we can see here that this wasn't only the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement area. This was also where the 50-hour exponential moving average also rested. So this essentially this orange line here is moving right into that orange zone. That's just a coincidence that those are the same colors. They don't really have any other connection to one another. They just both happen to be orange. But as we can see here, this upside price move in here did break through both of those trending signals in this upward price move. So that is another positive signal. If we look at the indicator readings here, we can see some additional developments which do show that share prices are still really caught in this downtrend momentum condition at the moment. So that is a negative. We have seen share prices bounce out of oversold territory and move back, and the relative strength index has moved back above its own exponential moving average. So that would be this purple line rising above the yellow line, the EMA. The yellow line is the moving average. So as we can see here, we did sort of move right into this downtrend momentum condition that's being shown on the relative strength index. And what you would really like to see if you are long this stock at the moment would be a break here to the top side, because then what this would tell you is that this current negative momentum condition has now completed itself. It has run its course. It's become exhausted. It's sort of lived its lifespan and is going to be off to greener pastures, I guess. This does not mean that share prices cannot develop a new negative trend. That can absolutely still happen, but at least this specific negative trend would no longer be active. So that hasn't yet happened yet. We have actually seen a failure here in the relative strength index. So the way this currently stands, this would be a negative, and this does suggest that we could start to see some stalling here in this most recent upside price move. So if we are able to see share prices move even just a little bit further ahead here in the upward direction, we could then start to see a breakdown of this negative momentum condition in the relative strength index. So just finally, just to close out here, to the top side, we will need to look at some potential upside price targets. At the moment, what I would really be looking at would be the 618 retracement, which comes in right around 476, 477. That would be this area here. The reason that I would point to that level specifically is because it really does come into contact with some prior resistance levels from the historical perspective here. This would really be the price high that came in during the September 20 trading session. And then in addition to that, you also have this declining blue line coming into contact with this area. That would be the 200-hour exponential moving average. So if we do see stalling out here, that would be a bit of a negative signal, because that would then place us back into sort of sideways consolidation type of territory. That really would be the bias at the moment, because overall, we are seeing some negative signals here in the indicator reading, as I pointed out before. And then in addition to that, you are now trading inside of the exponential moving average cluster on the hourly time frame. So overall, that does give me sort of a sideways bias at the moment. We are seeing some positive breaks here. As I said, we did see a breakthrough this Fibonacci resistance level and this exponential moving average. So those are two positive signals there, definitely. I'm just a little bit on the fence here as far as calling this an outright bullish condition, because that indicator reading is still showing negative signals. And then in addition to that, you're still trading inside of this exponential moving average cluster. The real break to the top side, in my view, would occur if you did see a break above this area here. This would essentially be roughly 477. So if you can get back into the 480s, $4.80, I think then you're looking at a definite retest of those prior highs at $5 even, which came in during the September 16 trading session. So here's the current stock market update for AMC Entertainment Holdings, stock ticker AMC. Our high value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk to reward metrics that target massive market beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market. Lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership, and start trading stocks with the pros.